For most agencies, revenue surges during a project launch and then drops off immediately. It is an unpredictable cycle that forces owners to hunt. Shifting away from that volatility requires recurring revenue, but building custom software to generate that income requires a multi-year development cycle and significant capital investment. WAPI provides an alternative by letting you partner on our existing infrastructure. We maintain the software, handle the development, and process the billing, while you own the client relationship and keep the margin. As an official partner, you become the face of these tools for your clients. Over the next few minutes, we will look at exactly how each of our 3 core products generates revenue for your agency. By leveraging enterprise-grade infrastructure, an agency can begin monetizing client trust immediately, bypassing the costs and technical risks of building a proprietary platform. The first product is Coretta Assistant, an AI agent that learns a client's website and answers visitor questions. Coretta operates on a pay-as-you-go wallet system, replacing fixed monthly subscriptions. When your client loads $100 into their usage wallet, they receive the full $100 in credit. Simultaneously, WAPI pays you a $15 commission as the partner on record. This $15 is paid separately by WAPI, leaving client credits intact. As your client volume increases, your margin automatically scales. Over time, your commission can grow from that base 15% up to 35% on every dollar of usage. In addition to the usage margin, there is the service layer. Partners install the widget and train the AI on the client's data. You set your own custom price for this setup and management service. WAPI takes no cut of this setup fee. You retain 100% of the service charges you built to your clients. This creates 2 distinct revenue paths: immediate cash flow from your own setup fees and a long-term recurring margin that compounds as your client's usage grows. For email infrastructure, WMail offers a first-year commission between 20 and 35% of the total subscription cost. That payout continues into subsequent years at a rate of 10 to 25% for as long as the client remains on the platform. For custom software projects, your role is to act as the architect by gathering the project brief. It is essential that you do not quote a price or a timeline to the client at this stage. Once you submit the brief, WMAPI's internal team handles all technical scoping, resource allocation, and final pricing. When the project is signed, you receive a flat 20% commission on the total project value. This allows you to facilitate high-ticket custom builds or infrastructure migrations, while WMAPI absorbs the technical delivery and pricing responsibility. The program is designed to integrate into your existing agency workflow. Because the maintenance is largely automated, managing 20 active clients adds a predictable layer of margin without requiring additional technical hires. We disperse commissions every single Friday. As soon as a client makes a payment, your portion is earned and queued for the upcoming Friday payout. WAPI handles all software billing directly, eliminating the overhead of generating invoices and stopping late client usage payments. Communication happens asynchronously through written channels. There are no mandatory check-in meetings and 0 video calls required. Currently, all client usage and commission data is tracked transparently in a shared real-time spreadsheet that you can access at any time. This operational model is built to remove administrative friction, letting you increase your revenue without increasing your back-office workload. Every partner receives an enablement kit, including a PDF and video training library, sales decks, and return on investment calculators to help you close deals. If a client has a technical issue, you simply route them to our tech support. Our engineers handle the troubleshooting directly, so you don't have to provide first-line technical help. If you decide you no longer want to manage a specific client, you can hand that relationship off to WAPI and stop your management duties immediately. As a partner, your feedback goes directly to our development queue. You also get early access to every product update before it hits the general market. There are no lock-in contracts. If you choose to leave the program, WAPI continues to pay your commissions for 6 months, provided your clients remain on the platform. We also offer a referral incentive. You earn a $50 bonus when a partner you referred completes their first sale. This is a flexible partnership that provides a 6-month commission safety net even after you exit, ensuring your initial effort remains compensated. To maintain a high level of support for each agency, we are limiting the founding partner team to exactly 20 individuals. To begin the process, submit your written application through the link provided. Manage, build, break the feast-or-famine cycle. The window to